Hey guys, so here's a quick tutorial on how to use Power BI. If you open Power BI, something like this may pop up. It's, by the way, this yellow square with black bars. You can just click on I already have a Power BI account and the little X. Simple as that. Next, this box will pop up and you will go to Get Data. If that box isn't open, you can just click on Get Data up here under Home. And that will bring up this box. So we're going to be pulling an Excel file. And we're going to be working with this Superstore data. Not global, just the United States. Found that out. So that might take just a minute or two to load. Once it is, your data set should just have a 1 option in it. This one has 3, so we're just going to choose orders and go to load. And while that's loading, we just wait. Alright, once that has loaded, all of these different columns should pop up. Just quickly go over what these mean. So visualizations is going to be our bar charts, pie charts, line charts, tables. This is where you make your visualizations. Filters is how you can choose to filter either the page or if you want to filter the entire report. You can also just filter within a single chart. These are your columns, so they are the data that you're working with. When they have the summation sign in front of them, that means that they are numbers and that you can sum them, find the average of them, etc. So we're just going to start by building a simple table. And we want to see our profits by state and the category that those have been made in. So that'll just take 1 second to load. Alright, once that's loaded, it'll look something like this, but as you can see, like a lot of these are repeating. So maybe we want to see the sum of Ohio Technology, the profits of Ohio Technology. So we can go here and go to sum, and that should sum based on each of these different things. Or if we want to just see the number of sales, we can click here and go to count, and that will give us an overall count of sales that they had in Alabama of furniture. So we also have the option to filter. So once this is selected, you can go over here and let's filter on state. So let's only look at California and the sales made in California. So this cuts down and out all of those other states, so we can just focus on California in this visual. Alright, so pretty simple. Next we're going to make a matrix, and a matrix is similar to a table, but you can look at things side by side. So I'm actually going to leave that as a table and then build a separate matrix. So you just click there, and we're still going to be looking at profit over state and based on category. So this creates a nice and large table of all of the states, their various profits under each of these, and then the total profits that they have. And once again, you can just change that to a count and see instead a count of sales. Next, we would just want to do a clustered bar chart. And we're going to use that same data. So for our value, we want profit. On the axis, let's do state. And then for our legend, let's do category. And you can expand that out. Additionally, another really cool feature is you can use a map. And if I want to see our profits based on city, I'm going to pull this into size. It should give me a map of the world, I suppose. And the size of these circles is dependent upon the profit that they have there. So in addition, you can move things around in order to make it more aesthetically pleasing. You can change the size of text. So if you go into this little painting thing and select it, you have the option to change the size of the text. For example, if I want to make the x-axis, the text size bigger, and granted that does not look super great, but you get the idea. And that's it. That's just a simple overview of what you can do in Power BI. In addition, you can make new pages and expand that way. Awesome. Thank you.